Hi guys, this unit is for rent here in Westwood Subdivision by Pueblo. So kani siya nga subdivision is surrounded with green trees. So it's a beautiful community. So money ang bungalow unit. It has 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. So luag yang lawn. So sa unit. Video ko, sir. So, money siya ang house as is sa kinsay mo abang. So, it's not furnished. And naa na siya mga cortina and screen doors, including the sliding door na po screen. Na siya yung lavatory sa sulod. And this is the kitchen, living and dining space, and the toilet and bath. So, ano siya. So, already clean. Ready na yun siya for the new renter. So, money ang likod sa house. And kung naamoy kuan, pwede nyo siya himuon dari o hayhayan. Washing machine nyo dari nyo ibutang padaras ko or mag-grill or whatsoever. And let's go to the bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 1. Naana siya bangag for the aircon. And nasa siya duha ka windows. And this is bedroom number 2. So sa mga gusto og minimal nga space, this is perfect. So if you're interested to check this out, just send me a message. Thank you.